Hello, good morning. Oh yeah, my webcam. Right. Okay. Hello. Good morning. Today's session is gonna be really quick, and yeah, introductions. Right. Hello, welcome. My name's Isaac, and I'm the founder of MetaWatchies. What we do here is kind of like just do a quick review and just sharing our thoughts and consensus on certain on projects that are live right now. What we do is we go to their website and review their website, their roadmap, their tokenomics. All of this is to provide value to our community. Just wanting to share how does a founder look at a project differently from investors, and also to find out the latest trends. Like just share with you guys what are the latest trends and the best practices that we can put in place for MetaWatchies. So without further ado, let me just begin. Today's gonna be a quick one because I went to see all of the websites, although there seem to be quite a few here, right? However, so Pygmies land is we can review them, but this one is not a website. It's not their own website. There's no information. Neither does this have. This is so. Never mind. Let's not pay attention to them. And then Ape, and this website is not. It can't be reached. Okay. So let's just start with Pygmies Land first. It is a project of just a little under 1,777 at a price of 1 SOL. Okay, over here they said that it's 1,000. I'm not too sure why is this 777. Maybe it's because they gave out whitelists, 223 of them maybe. So let's just take a look at this. Their artwork is pretty unique. It looks like marshmallow, right? It looks like a marshmallow. Quite cute. Right. So Mint app. Why do they call it Mint app? Let me just click on it and see what happens. Right. Okay. I see what they're doing. So, in a developer standpoint, I assume that this is okay, I assume that this is like a sorry, I had to mute to cough. I assume that this is a website builder that they're using, and after it looks very similar to ours. Let me show you. So you also have a GIF, and then really similar. Okay, what if they're using the same as us? We are using Webflow, so adding extra apps is a little bit more tedious. It's easier to just create another page and then we link the page over. So this is what we are seeing. It looks very similar to this. However, this Metaplex Mint page is a boiler website. What do I mean by a boiler website? It just means the code's ready for you. It's plug and play. So all they did was they probably hosted this on another on this domain, but these two sites are not the same. That's why they had to put it this way. They couldn't put it like another page and something like, or like let's just see, for example, Mint. Wait, sorry, not this. Let's just see brush token. Oh, this is another one. Okay, let's just dive right into this. But I'll conclude this by saying that okay, this this is a plug and play boilerplate kind of solution for you to mint their NFTs. Okay, let's see this brush token. I don't know what brush token and throne wars are. Pygmies are okay. Can earn brush tokens for passive income, and I assume that Throne Wars is a type of game, right? So about the game, 4 races, right? To start the game, you need brush. So this is the roadmap. Let's just take a quick look. So they design it first, and then they're doing the marketing, and then they are letting list on every major marketplaces after sold out. So right, they are launching it already. So right now they're here. After we sell out, we will focus on the community. Half of the income will be allocated to the community wallet. Okay, got it. And RPG game. Okay, so like what they said, it's a play or earn game. Oh, I like that their founders are dogs. Very, very cool. Oh, okay, cool. That's a nice little. If I want to contact their marketing team, for example, I know that I should look for eBrew. Yeah. Okay, it is pretty good. I think this is like maybe their PR, right? Something that we can also do on our end. So what I'm trying to say here is what I meant by saying like something we can also do on our end is because we haven't really done any PR marketing yet. Right now we know, okay, we can look for all of these agencies. Let me put the mic lower. We can look for all of these agencies, and this way we know that these are agencies we can collaborate with and list our NFTs there. Okay, overall quite interesting artwork. You can see like the background. I think overall it's just very textured. You can see some crease, right? It's a bit like paper. Look and I can't say feel because I can't feel it. I can't touch it, right? But it looks like paper. Pretty cool. And I like that it slides in. It looks very fluid. Okay. Right. Is there a slow okay, never mind. Okay, brush token. Let's just see. I wonder if this is like their white paper. Also, brush token has been implemented in all of these projects. Right, that's pretty cool. So they have been expanding their tokens. This is a very good thing because we talk about interoperability, right? And let's say X token and Y token, they are like from X project and Y project. X project produces X tokens and Y project produces Y tokens. I can't spend X tokens on Y project, so that's a that's not a very good thing. Yet maybe you could exchange it in some kind of exchange, but having this ecosystem thingy with 3 projects that use the same tokens, that's pretty cool. I can only see this expanding even more, especially wait, let me see. So Pygmies Land, then Soul Pink Club, so that's 4 already, up till Happy Monkey Season 2, Pygmies Land. So wait, okay, so wait, I'm a bit confused. Seems like they have 4 projects. Okay, I understand. 3 projects, but Happy Monkeys has 2 seasons, so that's why we are seeing 5 of them here. Brush creator on Solana, Brush Market, mint NFT listing, trade NFT listing. This is interesting. Right. You get to earn all of this here, but what can you exchange it for? That's a big question, right? Because let me see. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Okay. Let me just see. Brush token is at this much. Oh, okay. So this is just a DEX, decentralized exchange. Right. Oh shit! I closed Throne Wars. Let me see what's this. Okay. I assume this is like a game for you to log in if you have the NFT. So yeah, let's just move on. I think that they have their verticals are very good. So what I mean to say is, it's not a project where you just mint for the vibes, you know what I'm saying, and then get some tokens which you can spend on like their merchandise or buying whitelists or something like that. I think it goes a little bit deeper because they have their own ecosystem. It goes not just deeper but broader with different projects as well. So Pygmies Land, quite interesting project. Now let's just look at Ape. I saw their website and it looks really nice. It's so simple, right? And it reminds me of yesterday's project. Oh crap, I cannot remember their name. Yeah, I think it was here, is it? Oh no, it's the one before. Wait, let me get the name of it. Great Goats. I think Great Goats their website looked pretty similar. Let me find. Right. Oh, I still can't get it on our computer here. No worries, but it's also similar, and this is something which we want to do for MetaWatchies as well. Just MetaWatchies, a huge welcome page, and then maybe a mascot, MetaWatchies mascot. Right. Is there anything that I can click? Stay AP, she are still early. Okay, let's click the mission while we're all here. Right. Tangible benefits. In real life events, always nice to have in real life events. However, the NFT community is like quite global, right? So not too sure how this would turn out. Especially in our case, if let's say we want to do a in real life event and we're in Singapore, it's not really, I mean, it's well connected to all of the Asian countries, right? But I don't think it's that convenient for someone from the States or from anywhere from the UK, EU region to come over. Right, showroom. Okay, and then the studios. I guess this is very similar to what this is very similar to what Bored Ape is trying it has been doing as well. So I guess they are doing something similar. Right, so it's a very simple website. Right. Primary focus is to establish and connect our on-chain brand to its off-chain equivalent. Bridge digital to physical, if you will. This is something we are doing in our project. And think real-life events, high-quality merchandise, community meetups, and getting Ape integrated into your favorite off-chain products. Okay, this is very cool. I think in terms of a project mooning, right? This seems like it could happen because of how sometimes when you look at a website you could tell that they know what they're doing, although they don't say much. and this is the case. They don't really say much. They tell you what they want to do, and it's like a membership purchase, right? Their NFT, and I think this is something a lot of people are looking for in the space. It's kind of like a community, a network. To get into their network and their community, you get into this project. You meet all the very cool people here. So I think Just Ape is probably gonna do well. The only thing that I wish they had was some more like detailed roadmap and white paper. Although, yeah, it's very different from some of the websites that I review, right? If you notice, if let's say there's no white paper or roadmap, I'll feel like the project is a bit of a rug and stuff like that. Especially this, it doesn't have roadmap, it doesn't have white paper, they don't show their team at all. But I just have like good vibes with this website. You know what I'm saying? Some websites they do that, and I think this is one of them. And let me just bring out an example where they don't really talk much about. Let me check this. Yeah, so this doesn't have much as well. Yeah, there's nothing. You just hover over here and you find all of the founders. That's all. But okay, this has a little bit more. It's just a very simple mission. That's what they want to do. I guess that's why it's more credible, right? I feel more comfortable with this with Just Ape. I think not too bad. Right. Yeah, today there's only like just these two projects. Nothing too interesting other than Pygmies Land having a token which spans across multiple projects that they own. So they know what they're doing. They have launched a project before. Pygmies Land is not a new project because they've already had other projects like I can't remember like Happy Monkeys and Soul Pain Club. I'm not too sure how well they are doing, but if Happy Monkeys has 2 seasons or it's upcoming, and Pygmies Land, so they have these two that's undergoing have already underwent their main phase, and an upcoming season 2 with this new project. I feel like they could create an empire, and yeah, good on you, Farhad Mosavi. I like what you're doing. I also like what Ape is doing. I think both of them are pretty good. Today I'm not going to do what I usually do at the end because there's just two there's only 2 projects, and there's no point picking the best one. I think they're just 2 very different kind of projects, and yeah, put in a hypothetical scenario. Okay, why not? Let's just do it. Okay, put in a hypothetical scenario, not financial advice, not any sort of advice. This is what I would do. So in this scenario, I could only meet one of these projects. Assuming I have the whitelist, I would go with Ape. Yeah. I like what Pygmies is doing. However, I think it's not as polished as it's not as polished. The website is not as polished as I like. If you are already 4 projects deep, I feel like you could make a better minting page, and invest more in your digital assets in terms of like your web design and stuff like that. This looks like something like a first project kind of thing. It's fine, but if you're already 3 to 4 projects deep, I wish that it's more customized and feels like more just need it to be more polished. This seems like a Fiverr kind of website. You get a Fiverr guy to help you do it. But hey, no hate, no shame. I like that they have like their token spans across a few projects. I love that a lot. But just from the vibes that I get from Ape, I like it. And I saw that they have a lot of in real life stuff, merchandisers and stuff like that. And I resonated with this bridging the digital to physical, because MetaWatchies is under Meta Digital Consulting, where we provide solutions to help bridge the digital and physical space. In an example of MetaWatchies, our physical watches are tagged to the NFTs, so that's something we want to do for in a large scale and in other assets, across other asset classes as well. This Just Tape is some, I mean, just from this line, I vibe with it a lot. Okay, maybe let's just not use vibe, the word vibe. It's a little bit woo woo, right? I resonate. I like what they're doing. It's what we are doing, and yeah, this is something which I think in the future, right? If you could have a digital and physical asset tagged to each other, it's gonna be really really cool. And there are many projects that have been trying to innovate in this space, and yeah, that just means that it's gonna grow. It's gonna get better and better. Okay, Just It. I think, right, cause after every episode, do I call it episode? After every live stream session, I always pick the project which I like the most. Maybe at the end of the month or something, I would go back and see their floor price and see how did they do, right? I want to know if I made good predictions, so to speak, and I was right in my call. And for you as well, you can hold me accountable and see how well did I evaluate projects. It's just a full disclaimer, I don't do it that well. For there are some projects that moon and I say like, nah, they're not, they're a scam or something like that. So yeah, you see like all the fail calls that I make. Alright, so this has been Isaac. Thank you so much for watching, if you're watching, and please, if you like it, please click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.